Welcome to PureWeb. Today I'm going to be running through a demo to show you the capabilities of our CloudXR solution. What we'll be running through is the game Half-Life Alyx. Normally, I would show you uploading the game so you can see the drag and drop process to deploy your application. But this game is a little over 60 gigs, and we don't really want to wait for that to upload. So, what I have here is the game already deployed into our console. So as you can see here, the game is in an available state, which means it's available to be run. What I'm going to do is switch over to the Meta Developer site so you can see what I'm casting from my Meta Quest 3 headset. On the headset, what I have is a client loaded up that can actually go and talk to our platform. So when I start this up, it's going to go talk to our platform and figure out what models it can actually run. So as you can see, we have Half-Life Alyx here. When I select this, this is going to place a request to our platform, and it's going to say, hey, I want to go run this game. Our platform is going to pick that up and find a virtualization provider out in the world that can actually go and run this game. A virtualization provider is effectively a cluster of servers and services out in the world that can actually run a virtual workload like this. This one in particular is actually running out of Oregon in the US. I'm in Western Alberta, Canada, so for me, the distance from me to this server is about 900 miles or 1,500 kilometers. So as you can see, the game is actually loading up here. One of the things you'll notice is there's also sound coming through from the cast, if you can pick that up. The actual game itself, now that we've loaded into it, I'm just going to go start it up, and then you can kind of get an idea for the actual performance. So, one of the things to point out while this is loading, this game is running on an A10 GPU in Amazon. Most games this size would never be able to run on a headset, even built as an APK, just because the sheer amount of GPU and CPU performance required to actually run this. So now you can see I'm in game, and I've got typical VR immersive experience. I've got full headset tracking. As you can see, I can look around within the environment. I've got full controller support. You can see my hands and from them moving around. And then we can kind of quickly run through the game just so you can get an idea for the feel here. So we have a couple of different movement types. You can move by straight walking. You can turn quickly, or you can even teleport. You can interact with objects within the game, and even interact with some enemies as well. So I'm going to quickly run down the stairs here, because there's some enemies over here. I'm going to open this door. And now you can get a bit better idea just for the actual feel of the game. You can even switch guns. And there we have it. This is basically Half-Life Alyx running on a cloud-based server streamed to a headset. And I hope this gives you an idea of what our platform is capable of. Thank you very much.